The 7 and 10 pin deck roller locations tend to be where we see blackouts as a result of the bottom of the pin actually resting on the side of the deck roller and not in the center. This happens due to the extreme angle the pins drop from these locations. Creating that extra surface contact for the base of the bowling pin by adding an extra thinner roller on the outside of the bracket, kickback side, completely eliminates the possibility of this problem happening. Simply remove the existing X-washer pin and install the shoulder bolt that is provided through the existing roller and place the new deck roller spacer on the side of the deck roller bracket. This is one of my favorite kits, and as always, remember the entire Deep Purple line of urethane products comes with a 2-year warranty.